பிஸ்கட் கொடுக்க பார்த்தோம்னா பசங்க வந்து க்ரீம் பிஸ்கட் கேட்பாங்க, இல்லைன்னா சாக்லேட் பிஸ்கட் கேட்பாங்க. So what we've done is like எல்லா பேக்லையும் same amount we have put into our packs. So whether they eat a cream biscuit or they eat chocolate chip cookies or they eat glucose biscuit, in the growth nutrients how it's counted. In the story one day was easier to talk in the rest of the country. So in the mari or powerful message one day we thought that we will take to the audience in a very powerful way. So I'm going to show you an ad which we call Tiger Dinam Dinam Valaru, and it stars Salman Khan and it was directed by Prabhu Deva. Can I show you the ad please? Talk to you about children and their nutrition. Adukapra or quick or 5-7 minutes la I'll tell you about my product launch. So I'd request Dr. Dharani to tell us about nutrition please.
Thank you, Anu, for that introduction, and I thank the organizers for calling me here. So we are going to talk about the role of nutrients in children and how childhood is very, very important. இப்போ வந்து குழந்தைகள் சரியாக சாப்பிட்றது இல்லை, ஸ்கூல் டைமிங் மாறி இருக்கு, so many issues, parents are working and வீட்டில் பண்ணுற சாப்பாடு பிடிக்கிறது இல்லை, so it's become more important today. So growth requirements combined with physical activity play a role in determining the child's nutritional needs. Because கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தி சாப்பிட்டா கூட if they do physical activity then they can burn out that calories. So how do we meet the challenge of sound nutrition? Proper nutrition is essential. It grows to obtain a healthy height and weight. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய குழந்தைகள் அவங்க potential height and weight வரதில்லை. So that is important. Is physically and mentally active. கரெக்டாக குழந்தைகள் விளையாடினா they can do their work correctly. Like for example, iron deficiency anemia இருந்தால் they will not be able to have the cognitive power. எந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து படிக்க முடியுமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு foods like chips, fryams, vadam, vattal. So this is taken care of. But protein is always an issue. பருப்புனா பிடிக்காது, முட்டை பிடிக்காது, பால் பிடிக்காது, தயிர் பிடிக்காது. So these are the issues. So protein definitely is an issue, and in our country largely நம்ம எல்லாருமே vegetarian, but even those who are non-veg eat non-veg only once or twice a week, which means 5 days these fractures. 40-45 வயசுல விழுந்தா multiple fractures. They need hip replacement. One of the reasons is vitamin D. Then vitamin C, of course, very important for wound healing and dry up skin and the many problems and all. So these are the real tough data that we really have to take a look at. 38.4% under the age of 3 are stunted and 46 are underweight. On one side we are talking about overweight, but this is also present. And stunting, இப்போ நிறைய research, in fact this month itself there have been 3 conferences here in Chennai where doctors have been talking about the stunted growth children வந்து திடீர்னு below the age of 5 they are stunted, but suddenly with overnutrition they put on double their weight afterwards before they turn to 15 or 18. Clear case of diabetes and cardiac disease. This is being very clearly shown through research and in India also. So அது வராத இருக்கிறது பார்க்கறது தான் correct. So we should not allow our children to be stunted. Among micronutrient deficiency, of course iron and vitamin A deficiency are high, and 69.5% of children in the age group of 6 to 59 months are anemic, with Rajasthan and Punjab topping the list. And 62% of preschool children are deficient in vitamin A, leading to high. Overweight is, Dr. Mohan was giving on November 14 statistics. It is 8 to 30% in different schools of overweight to obesity, which is a huge number, which all of them are going to step into diabetes. So we have to be careful. Increase intake of water, low fat dairy products. They definitely need to take milk and curd, and make physical activity a habit. I think schools should do that. They should not cancel physical activity, they should make it a daily affair. And limit TV no more than 1 to 2 hours a day. 1 hour is more than enough because they have homework, they have other activities. Track growth and development carefully. That's a wonderful thing if parents can do. ஒரு சார்ட்ல போட்டா கீழே வராலாம் மேலே போறாலாம் நீட்டா தெரியும். If they maintain the line parallel to any line, they are fine. If they jump from down to up, they are in trouble. அதாவது ரொம்ப லோ வெயிட்லேருந்து திடும் ஹை வெயிட் போனால் நிச்சயமாக பிரச்சனை. அண்ட் பி அ குட் ரோல் மாடல். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
Be happy to package and sell that, but இன்னைக்கு அந்த மாதிரி launch ன்னு கிடையாது. Today we are talking to you about Tiger. இது வந்து எங்களோட by volumes எங்களோட largest brand. By the number of packs that we sell in market, it's our largest brand. What is different ன்னு நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நிமிஷத்துல காமிக்கிறேன். Is it on? Dr. Gandhi said, as a mother, I find very difficult to manage. Less than 1 hour of TV. No snack food is impossible. Low one the definite we all try as mothers. So, not mothers like me, but middle India, base of pyramid, the heartland India or the mothers, they have 3 types of problems. Asana vande 3 times a day veetla saapda mattengranga because they are going for tuition, they are going for school, they are going for play, and they are always on the go. Balanced nutrition கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது. And one of the things that mothers face is affordability. An apple is almost 25 rupees. She definitely cannot afford that in her children's diet. What she can afford is perhaps banana, papaya and guava. And somehow on the fruits வந்து நம்ம கேவலமா நினைக்கிறோம். அது வந்து children don't like their taste. They are very nutritious, but somehow people don't like their taste. So on the fruit and almost diet காணாவே போயிட்டு, right? So that is one problem that she faces. Our lifestyle and eating habits வந்து